I have two flyers to present to promote decreasing racial prejudice, one for the US and one for the UK. In this presentation, I will discuss how color, lines, balance, and contrast are used in the flyers and how they may be interpreted differently by other viewers. According to a webpage by Jonathan Lister, using color in visual communication is an effective tool as it can catch people's attention and evoke their emotions. In my US flyer, I have decided to put in a yellow background as it is a color that represents happiness and optimism. However, one problem that could happen with putting it in this color is that with my country, people may interpret yellow as a sign of caution or cowardliness, or even death in Mexico, or as an association with a deity in Hinduism in Egypt. This is why I decided to go for more of a brighter sunshine kind of yellow instead of a slightly darker yellow like in traffic light, since that is more likely to generate a feeling of optimism. To avoid the risk that the UK may view yellow differently for cultural reasons, I decided to have the background be white, since according to a .org site for vexillology, that white represents peace on the Union Jack. For the lines on both of my flyers, right here, I have decided to put on thin straight lines so that it will give the flyer viewers some relaxation, which should help them give the positive feeling the flyer is supposed to give. According to the Module 1 notes, the thin lines have a form that will not intimidate visual media viewers. In the US flyer, I decided there would be a good balance between the image, yellow background, and blue box. Because the biggest visual element, which is the image, is the biggest and most colorful, it'll get the viewer to look at the top of the flyer first, then look at the yellow, then the blue box. So the viewer's eyes will go top to bottom instead of all over the place. The UK flyer will have a similar balance as the image is the biggest part. Then as they look down, the change of text to colorful text will come, and eventually go down to the 3 pictures and bolded address and URL. In the US flyer, the image size and different colors will catch the attention of viewers and make it the first thing they see. When the viewer gets to the text in the yellow background, it will be hard to look back up or look down at the blue box due to how vivid the yellow color is, which will help them maintain the positive feeling and catch all the information in the yellow background. In the UK picture, there are 3 pictures of 3 different age demographics of people of different races, 2 of them outside with the blue sky in the background. If I put the kids in the building in the middle, then it would avoid the possibility of the 2 pictures of the sky blending in while next to each other.